Hi, I'm Caroline from Stokke. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through assembling the Stokke YOYO³ 6+ bundle. This includes the Stokke YOYO³ stroller frame and the Stokke YOYO³ 6+ color pack, designed for children from 6 months and up. Let's get started. Step 1. Lay out all the parts. Before you begin, lay out all the components. YOYO³ frame, 6+ color pack including the seat pad and canopy fabric, seat base fabric with integrated 5-point harness, backrest, canopy wires, dust bag, and user manual. Step-by-step assembly. Install the backrest. Unfold the yo-yo frame and lock it into place. Ensure all locking mechanisms are engaged before proceeding. Insert the backrest upright into the stroller frame from the front. On the right side, slide the hinge into the frame. On the left side, release the white pin to align the hinge. Lock it in place. Step 3. Install the seat base fabric. Slide the seat base fabric over the backrest. Clip the plastic hooks on both sides of the fabric to the stroller frame. Underneath the seat. Secure the back 2 Velcro straps by inserting them into the corresponding slots and attach to each other below the seat. Secure the front 2 Velcro straps by wrapping forward around the stroller frame and threading through the seat fabric hardware. Fold the strap over to Velcro each strap to itself. Step 5. Secure the color pack seat pad and harness. Release the harness so all straps can be maneuvered. Thread the shoulder straps through the appropriate height slots in the color pack seat pad. Then, thread the waist and crotch straps through their respective slots. Attach the front loop of the seat pad to the hook under the seat and ensure the Velcro aligns and attaches to the seat base fabric. Step 6. Assemble and attach the canopy. Slide the canopy wires into the sleeves of the canopy fabric. The longer wire will insert through the front of the canopy fabric and the shorter wire will insert into the pocket near the peekaboo window. Please note, the canopy mounts will be facing down. Flip so they are facing up before attaching the canopy. Attach the canopy to the frame by inserting the ends of the wires into the mounts on the handlebar. Secure with the loops provided. Step 7. Final adjustments. Check that the backrest is locked in place, the seat fabric is taut and secure, the harness is properly threaded and adjusted, the canopy opens and closes smoothly. Final check. Give the stroller a gentle shake to ensure everything is secure. Engage and release the brake to test functionality. Your Stokke YOYO³ 6+ stroller is now ready for everyday adventures.